Good day, I am Maria Remedios P. Cabanyero, the Group 2 representative of Code 9069. Today, I will gonna present with you our business proposal. Our product is called eVital. It is an Arduino-based heart rate, body temperature, and blood pressure monitoring device with an Android application. The concept of this is that it is a device and an application. So the device has the ability to get your blood pressure, heart rate, and body temperature, while the Android application will display the result and can provide interpretation of your result for you to know if your vital sign is good or not. It is to know if there is something wrong with your vital signs. It also gives recommendations on what you can possibly do as of the moment in line with the result of your vital sign. And in addition to its features, you can retrieve your previous data so that you can compare your previous result to your latest result. So why do we come up with this idea? So we student nurses know the importance of checking vital signs, for it is the most basic indicators to your overall health. We also noticed that not everyone knows how to monitor their vital sign or even to interpret it. In addition, the COVID-19 pandemic has dramatically changed our lives according to Tata 2022. It also made us realize how important it is to monitor our health, especially our vital signs. Our proposed product, eVital, aims to help solve problems in regards to vital signs monitoring that could help in the pandemic as well as the following. Inaccuracies in vital sign reading. There are some existing commercialized monitoring devices give inaccurate reading, and it has been proven that things like wrong size of cuff as well as incorrect positioning give a false reading that can cause patients to receive wrong management. Next is delayed diagnosis of hypertension and other illnesses. According to studies, delayed diagnosis is a fairly common and harmful to patient safety. Next is high-cost medical equipment. Most of the existing monitoring device is quite expensive. Next, vital signs monitoring in emergency cases. In an emergency, it is really important to check the vital sign, for it is the basic yet critical thing to know. Next, manual self-monitoring needs proper training. Not everyone knows how to use the manual apparatus, and it is very complex for some. And lastly, environmental concerns. Some of the monitoring devices contain something that is harmful for the environment. For the benefits of idea to the market, first, we will be able to provide an accurate vital sign reading, provide an early diagnosis of hypertension and other illnesses through self-monitoring, provide an affordable medical equipment, give vital signs monitoring in emergency cases, aid in easy self-monitoring, and we will be able to address environmental concerns. For the costing, we have here the Arduino, which is the brain of the system, costs 143 pesos. Next is the blood pressure sensor, which is also the sensor that we will be using in getting the heart rate, costs 65 pesos. We have temperature sensor, which is 58 pesos. HC05 Bluetooth module, 53 pesos. Jumper wires that cost 34 pesos. And LCD costs 112 pesos. In total, it costs 465 pesos. And down for our most exciting part, for the process and how does it work, let's watch this video. Arduino-based heart rate, body temperature, and blood pressure monitor as an Android application.
Vital sign is a fundamental indication of health status. A change in vital sign could indicate a problem leading to a severe and life-threatening condition. One indication that there's an abnormal in vital sign is increase in blood pressure. Hypertension is a public health issue in the Philippines and even worldwide. According to the Philippine Health Statistics 2018, one of the 10 identified health problems in Davao City and the third highest cause of morbidity is hypertension, affecting 20,780 per 100,000 population. In 2000, 26% of the world's population had hypertension, which is expected to rise to 29% by 2025. It is important to note that regular blood pressure monitoring is essential in the first place to avoid problems related to hypertension. Other than maintaining a good blood pressure, the temperature also makes a significant role in homeostatic condition. In our current state today, temperature taking is effective in detection and avoidance of COVID-19. Overall, vital sign monitoring is critical for maintaining a good health.
Materials and methods. For the process, we have the collection of materials, software development, hardware development, calibration, and system testing. Collection of materials. The materials needed are Arduino Pro Mini, HX710B pressure sensor, DS18B20 temperature sensor, HC05 Bluetooth module, 2x4 LCD, and power bank for the power supply. For the hardware development, we have the integration of the materials, where all the sensors, the Bluetooth module, LCD, and etc. will be connected to the Arduino Pro Mini, which is the brain of this project. The electronics enclosure will be designed using SketchUp 3D design software and will be 3D printed using the PLA filament. For the software development, it will be programmed using the Arduino Integrated Development Environment or IDE using the C++ programming language. The device will be programmed to read the data from the sensors, and then data will be processed and sent to an Android application via Bluetooth. The Android application will be developed using the MIT App Inventor, which utilizes the drag-and-drop programming for easy and fast application development. The Android application will be programmed to receive the Arduino Uno data and display, store, interpret, and retrieve the data. Calibration of the device. Normal testing and independent t-tests will be used. The created device will be compared to the commercialized one to check for its accuracy and reliability and will be certified by a physician after. To sum it all up, our aim is to create a device and an application that will certainly help people in checking their vital signs, that would assess their well-being and motivate them to have a healthy living. That would be all, and thank you for listening.